For the newsletter for the weekend. Basically, wanted to talk a little bit about the markets and what we've done and what we have coming up. So, first of all, markets took a pounding again on Thursday, and they did earlier in the week as well too on Tuesday, following Chairman Powell's first day of testimony on the Hill. That was from the Senate. But then on Thursday, it seems like some bank news is coming out now. Silicon Valley Bank got slammed today, and it might be actually getting slammed on Friday as well too. So it's been a rough going for these banks here these last couple of days, last 3 or 4 days. The KRE and the KBE, which is the ETFs for banks, down more than 10% each the last couple of days. So we're not sure what's going on here. I think it's probably due to the fact that the economy looks like it's heading towards a recession here as the Fed continues to raise interest rates. Chairman Powell indicated that that is the case from earlier in the week, and that we're going to probably be moving at a lot faster pace towards higher rates, maybe 6.5% on the Fed funds rate before too long. So that's certainly a worry. And then today, on Friday, we're going to have the jobs report coming out. And if that's showing some hot inflation, we could see a market sell off into the weekend. Of course, next week we have CPI and PPI numbers coming out. Those are also looking to be rather hot versus what we had in January. These are the February numbers. So we had a pretty decent week, actually. I think we're probably up close to 3% on the S&P versus the S&P 500, which is down about 2.5%. So good relative performance for the explosive options portfolio. And we hope to continue that roll that we've been on for the past few weeks into the end of March. We have quite a few positions on right now. We rolled quite a few winners out today. We rolled a winner in the S&P 500 SPY, the Russell 2000. We had a big winner earlier in the week on Dick's Sporting Goods, which we banked a nearly 90% winner on Dick's. So that was a great move, and we rolled it up, and then we added a short call against it to hedge our position. So we're doing much better than we did last year. We're on a roll right now, and we're close to the S&P 500 right now. We're above the Dow Industrials, which interestingly enough, you wouldn't know it, but the Dow has been down over 1,000 points this week in just 4 trading days. So it's been a pretty remarkable move, almost 3% down for the Dow Industrial. So keep it light right now. Keep an eye on the volatility. The VIX was up strong today. It was up over 3.5 points, more than 17% on the day. Play things a little bit guarded. Next week is a big expiration week. Of course, triple witching on Friday. So one more thing, just to let you know, we're bringing back the March Madness bracket challenge. So keep reading the newsletter today, and you'll see a link to sign up for that. It's free, and there are some good prizes that you can win, like a whole year's membership and the total access, 6 months and 3 months as well too. So, and of course, if you beat me, you get a free month in the chat room. So there's the challenges on there. So have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you all next week. Thanks.